Welcome to IMW Club. Today's topic of discussion is personal finance and the 7 habits of highly successful investors. Personal finance is something that affects everyone's life, yet it's a topic that many people tend to neglect. Developing good personal finance habits can help you to achieve your financial goals and secure your future. Successful investing can be a powerful way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. So, whether you're just starting out in your career, or you are looking to take your finances to the next level, this video is for you. Before we proceed ahead, if you have not subscribed yet, then do subscribe. We have tons of info on investments, finance and wealth building. Let's begin wealth building journey. Important aspect of personal finance is investing. Investing can be a powerful way to build wealth over the long term. However, it's important to understand the risks and rewards of different types of investments. That way, you can make informed decisions about where to invest your money. Now, let's move on to the 7 habits of highly successful investors. These habits are essential if you want to build wealth through investing. Number 1. Setting financial goals. Successful investors have clear, specific, and achievable financial goals. They create a plan to reach those goals, and they regularly review and adjust their plan as needed. You can set goals like new home, new car, child education, yearly luxury holidays, retirement corpus. These are few common goals which can be starting point. Number 2. Gain financial knowledge. Successful investors are constantly learning about different types of investments and investment strategies. They stay up to date on market trends and economic conditions that could affect their investments. Number 3. Diversifying portfolio. Successful investors spread their investments across different asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. This helps reduce their overall risk and increase their chances of long-term success. Number 4. Staying disciplined. Successful investors stick to their investment plan, even when the market is volatile or emotional. They don't let fear or greed drive their investment decisions. Number 5. Focusing on the long term. Successful investors have a long-term perspective and don't get caught up in short-term market fluctuations. They understand that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Sir Warren Buffett is well-known long-term value investor. He recommends a long-term portfolio allocated 90% and 10% to diversified short-term bond funds for most investors. Number 6. Managing risk. Successful investors understand the risks of different types of investments and make informed decisions based on that knowledge. They also regularly review their portfolio and adjust their investments as needed to manage risk. Number 7. Seeking professional advice. Successful investors know when to seek advice from a financial advisor or other investment professionals. They understand that investing can be complex and that professional advice can help them make better decisions. Conclusion. By developing good personal finance habits and following the habits of successful investors, you can achieve your financial goals and build wealth over the long term. We hope you found this video informative and helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe and type 7 in comment box. It will motivate us. Share with family and friends. Let's grow together. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Happy investing.